Basically, it was too big. My dick was too... Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome your faces back to another video here on the SenselessBros channel. It's your boy Danny Homan. We've got Laxon13 behind the camera sticks right now. I just figured, you know, I'm going to get a new sub fitted into my boot of the car, and I wanted to show you guys how it was going. So just going to set you guys on for a montage of all of it getting set up, and I'm going to speak to you guys a little later.
That is it reaches 88 decibels on top.
I was so laughing that was the problem the whole time. Yo guys, welcome your faces back. So just seen the little montage of the subwoofer getting fitted in. Yo, with that being said, shout out to NXTGEN Autos, man, getting that shit sorted out. As you can see though in the background, it's not the same subwoofer as we started with. I kind of wish I had that huge thing in here, but unfortunately German engineering is just not as thought out as it's meant to be. Carrying on, so yeah, the subwoofer itself, it just didn't work. So anyway, the place I went to, NXTGEN Autos, shout out again, they actually hooked me up with this beautiful subwoofer. So as you can see, it's a Phoenix Gold sub box, really good, and inside it we actually have a kicker subwoofer. So two different brands put into the same thing. The guy who gave me this he told me he'd already used it, so hats off to him and hats off to the team that was there. They helped out huge. So much stress, so much time wasted on this fucking thing, but it's finally been done. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed that little montage. I'm just gonna end it off here with a little song to let you guys hear the sound of this bad boy. And until next time, until the next video, it's your boy Danny Homer, TheSenselessBros. Peace. Why have they got to be out? Have you already started? Yo, what's going on guys? Welcome your faces back to another video here on TheSenselessBros. As always,